Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making a very healthy and light vermicelli upma that is going to become your favorite in no time. I love how simple this recipe is and yet it is so flavorful, so tasty, and that's what makes it a perfect breakfast option. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Heat 1 liter of water in a container, and once the water starts to boil, add some salt and a few drops of oil to it. Then add 1 cup of roasted vermicelli and boil them for 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure you don't boil them for more than 4 minutes, else they will become very sticky and mushy, and we don't want that. See? Perfectly cooked right now. So take them out, drain the water away, and add some cold water on top to stop the after cooking. Keep it aside, and now let's start making our tempering. Heat a pan and add some ghee. It will really make a difference in the taste if you add ghee instead of oil. Add mustard seeds, Chana Dal, Urad Dal, some roasted peanuts, chopped ginger, curry leaves, and green chillies. A quick stir, don't overcook the tempering, and add the sliced onions. Saute them for 2 to 3 minutes. And similarly add some sliced capsicum. Add a pinch of sugar to balance out the flavors. This really works as a secret ingredient. After a minute, add salt to taste. And now we just have to add our boiled vermicelli. Give it a nice stir and mix it well. We'll finish off the preparation by adding in some lemon juice. Sprinkle some black pepper. Add in freshly chopped coriander stems, some coriander leaves. Coriander stems will bring a lot of freshness to this recipe. And just before when you're ready to serve it, just add a teaspoon of ghee. It will really enhance the taste. Our vermicelli upma is now ready to be served. Feel free to add in any vegetable of your choice, like carrots or green peas, but I wouldn't advise you to add too many vegetables into this recipe. Thanks a lot for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you liked the video. Till then, take care, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.